What? Mayong buntag, mga silingan.
Hayo.
Welcome to my channel. So karong adlaw,
Hello, AG.
karong adlaw natay himuon nga challenge. Gitawag ni siya og speaking English for a day challenge.
Hello, AG.
Karong buntaga, mag-speak English ko na. This morning, we will speak English. All of us, okay? If someone speaks Bisaya, I will love take the ears. I will love take the ears. You, me, including Mama, okay? Ha? So okay? So, you're not allowed to speak Bisaya, okay? You understand me? So, we have to speak English. What's that? Why are you not talking? What? You speak with no sound. You don't have sound. Speak with me. What's this? What is it for? Are you afraid to speak English? Huh? What's that? Talk to me. I think we're going to be silenced for the whole day. Huh? This will be doing a sign language for a day. This is not the challenge. The challenge is to speak English for a day. You're not allowed to speak Bisaya or any language. Understand? You have to speak English. Why you're not speaking English? Huh? Are you deaf? Are you deaf? You don't know how to speak? To talk? You don't know how to talk? Huh? Okay, I would like to ask you a question. Is it okay with you? Okay. Come here. What is this? You don't know? There's something inside. There's something inside it. What's that? What's that?
Airplane.
An airplane. Very good. This one. What is this? What's this one? Huh? You're playing safe. What happened? Huh? So okay, we will talk about something. Okay, I will ask you a question again. What is your name? What is your name?
Your name?
Your name. What is your name?
Louder.
Louder. What is your name? How old are you? How old are you? Oh, okay. You don't speak English. You're always doing a sign language or a deaf talk. If that will happen again, I will lab take your ear. Okay? That's not English.
Few moments later.
So that's an airplane.
Close your eyes.
I have to close my eyes, okay?
Dede.
Whoa, what's that? What's that?
It's a hot milk.
It's a horror milk.
Hello.
That's a horror milk?
Hello pa. Hello, AJ.
Okay, we have to finish our game now because you're not
Bye-bye mo.
talking anymore.
Mong brother na diwa.
That's not my brother, that's me.
Maka na ba?
That's me, that's a video.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it for now. Bye, please watch the video and subscribe, share also. And
Hello. Bye-bye. AJ.
watch out for our next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, AJ.
Bye-bye.